In this practical, you have to make solid single piece pattern of wooden material. For this, you require different type of tools and equipment. So firstly, measuring scale. This is measuring scale which is required to measure the dimensions, and then firmer chisel is required. Tri-square for checking the angularity and whether it is at 90 degree or not, that you have to check. And this is a hand saw which is being used for this cutting purpose, and wooden mallet, it is being used along with chisel, and this is a smooth file which is also being used for finishing purpose. And this is jack plane. So in the last year you have done the carpentry job, so you know about this jack plane. It is for removal of material from the surface of wood. And finally this RAS file, it is also being used. Raw material which is required is this wooden plate, and wood is very good material and which is being used for finishing purpose. Very fine finishing can be observed from this particular teak wood. Actually, we have to fix up this wooden plate in vise, and then by using jack plane we have to finish off the surface. And after this finishing, it is to be done on both the side as well as on the sides also, for making it exactly at 90 degrees. From the sideways also you have to make it, we have to plane it, so that the workpiece, the material, raw material will be at 90 degrees. Checking it with the tri-square, and then finally marking it is being done with the help of pen. We have to perform the marking so that we can cut the material from there, and also we have to mark it, and after marking the dimensions we have to cut the material by using saw. The length of this material is 150 mm. You can see it by using the scale. And width is 3 centimeter at the from the center. Ends diagonally, so that the workpiece can be formed properly in that particular shape. We have to mark the workpiece. Diagonally we are joining the particular points by using this midpoint. And length of this workpiece is 150 mm and width is 60 mm. And at the center, this is now after marking, we have to fix it in the vise and cut the material. Also we have to cut the material diagonally by keeping the workpiece in the inclined position. We can see here this workpiece, it is kept in the inclined position. Another side of this portion, it is to be cut in the inclined position like this. After cutting the wood, extra portion it is being removed by cutting by the saw. Now we will plane it by using jack plane on all the sides. By using jack plane. And also you can see here we have provided some draft allowance. It is being provided. Some allowances we have to provide in the workpiece or making the pattern. So three types of allowances we have to provide: draft allowance, shrinkage allowance and machining allowance. So out of which we can see here draft allowance is already being provided, and also we have considered machining allowance so that this pattern can be used for making the casting. Now this finishing work, it is to be done by the file. Filing it is being carried out so that the portion, the corners, the sharp corners are there that are to be made round by using RAS file, and final finishing it is being carried out by using this particular type of file, that is flat file. It is also being used for finishing so that the corners are being made round for on all the four sides of this quadrangle or the pattern, wooden solid piece pattern. This is the final finished work piece. It is being carried out by Shri Agreji from our workshop.